everybody, it's Jennifer Grace. Welcome to Summer Sessions, Lessons from the Lake. And here we are in absolutely beautiful Lake Norman, coming to you live. And today I wanted to talk about how to achieve altered states of consciousness without using drugs. And this is all about flow state. This is all about increasing your human potential. It's my new favorite topic, actually. What is flow state? So being in a state of flow is when you reach this altered state of consciousness and there is no ego, right? The itty bitty shitty committee is not there going, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong. Also, there is no time. You know, you're so like in the moment. Runners like refer to it as being in the runner zone. And time stands still. You're timeless. And it's also effortless. It's just like there's no effort. You're just in the zone, in the flow, in this altered state. You're doing what you love, loving what you do. And there's also a richness to it, right? It just feels so good to do it. So there are many things that you can do to accelerate getting into flow state. One of them is food. So removing things like alcohol, dairy, sugar, grains, meat, maybe just for 1 week or a 30-day period. Those things lower your frequency. So when you remove them, you really amp up and accelerate your chances of opening up this clear channel of receiving new wisdom and brilliance and creativity and all that good stuff. The next thing to accelerate your flow state chances is meditation. Clear mind creates clarity, right? And when we have so much going on up here and out there, you know, we're watching Netflix and on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, and we're working and we're socializing. Like, how are we supposed to receive any information? So 20 minutes a day of meditation can really open you up to receiving a lot of brilliance. Reflective writing goes right along with meditation. So taking time maybe right out of your meditation just to do some stream of consciousness writing. Just really this mental brain dump, getting all of that fear, anxiety, confusion, you know, out onto the page. So what was cloudy can become clear. There are also foods that can elicit the bliss hormone. Cacao is one of them. So you know, maybe if you do have a little sweet tooth, you can mix some cacao with some coconut milk and add some vanilla stevia. So still there's no dairy, there's no sugar, and it opens up the heart. And part of being in altered state is about connection. So also black truffles, although they're very expensive, have the bliss molecule as well. Being in connection and community is also part of flow state. When you are with people that you love, that make you laugh, that hold you high, it actually fires off those hormones like dopamine and oxytocin. And it makes you feel good. And so when you feel good, you're clear, you're clean, you're in a space of joy, of course, you're going to start downloading these amazing ideas and brilliance and wisdom. So there you go. Connection. Call your best friend. Call the one that makes you laugh. Go out there, go to a sound bowl healing, go to a drum circle, go wherever it's fun for you to go. But there is more. I could go on and on and on and on about flow state, altered states. So what I've done is prepared a little toolkit for you. If you just click on the link, you can receive the Altered States of Consciousness Acceleration Toolkit. Which is going to give you some more ideas and some downloads of a meditation and journal prompts, and hopefully that'll get you kick-started and going to, you know, discover a cure for cancer or write that next New York Times best-selling book or whatever your dreams are.